Hello all, my name is Pavan Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, continuing our playlist on NLP Quantifiers. So in our previous video we have discussed about the quantifiers, like where we have given some range. Like here you can see A followed by B, where B will be minimum, where B will be occurring minimum number of 2 times, that is 2, and maximum it can appear 3 number of times. So here you can see match of A followed by B 3 times. So here I have taken example of A followed by B, minimum number of times for the B is 4. So minimum is 1 and maximum is 4. And here I have taken CD. Okay. And today in this particular video we are going to continue our same topic. But here what we'll do is, like instead of giving a range, we'll give specific number of times instead of giving a range. So let's take an example. Let's take this only as an example. Okay. So here what I have done is C followed by D. Okay. So D will be minimum number of 2 will be minimum number and 2 will be maximum number. Okay. So for that we have given this. For that we have already got this much. So what I will do is I will just remove any one of it. Okay. So here I have given CD. Okay. So 2 will be the exact number. So here I have not given any range. Okay. So here you can see the input double 2C, 2D, 2E. Okay. So now let's try to run this particular cell. Okay. So here you are getting the match C followed by D, which is 2 number of times. Okay. And the span is 1 to 4. So here you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So here the starting range is 1 and the span is between 1 to 4. So here you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you can see C followed by D, which is 2 number of times. Okay. So even though there are 2C here, but still you can see the span is between 1 to 4. Okay. So let's take one more example so that we can understand in a better way. Find pattern. So here what I will do is I will try to give A, then I will give it as B, I will give it as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now what I will do is I will try to give, what I will do is BC, and here I will just try to give it as 3. I will try to give it as 4. Okay. So now let's try to run this particular cell. So here you can see the match B followed by C 4 number of times. Okay. So here I have not given any range. I have given exact number as 4. Okay. So here you can see the match B followed by C 4 number of times and the span is between 1 to 6. So here you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here you can see B followed by C, that is 4 number of times, and the range is between, and the span is between 1 to 4. Okay. So previous examples I have taken the range. So here B can be A followed by B, where B can be minimum number of occurrences is 2 and the maximum number of occurrences is 4. So here D followed by E, and E can occur minimum number of times is 2 and maximum is 4. But here what I have done is I have not given any range. So I have given only one number. So C followed by D, and maximum it can appear for 2 number of times. So here B followed by C, and the C can occur maximum number of times is 4. Okay, so I hope you like this particular video, and I hope that you have understood this topic. If you have any questions, you can just mention it in the comment section so that I can get it and I can reply back to you. Okay, so the more you practice on this and the more you understand. So if I take one or two examples, you might not understand more. So it's all up to like how much you practice so that you can understand in a better way. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if not already subscribed. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.